Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to add funds to your sub account or your child's account on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to add money or funds to your child's account on the PlayStation 5. Now, if we're on the home screen, we have to go up to the top here and go to Settings, and then scroll on down to Users and Accounts and select this option. Now, under here, let's go on over to Payments and Subscriptions to manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Now, go on down to Add Funds to your wallet right here and select this. Now, choose your credit card or enter the gift card and then redeem the code. So for me, I have my Visa debit card on here. I'm going to go and select this. Now, this could also be associated with your PayPal account, and that should show up. Now let's choose my credit card and select the amount you want to add to your wallet. So you have the option from $5 all the way to $60, and I currently have $10 in my wallet. So let's go ahead and back out of here. Now let's go back to the main settings screen where it says Settings, and then under Users and Accounts, let's go to Family and Parental Controls. Now, under here, let's go to Family Management. Now, if you haven't already, you have to add your child's account to your family, and you're going to have to sign in to PlayStation.com or go ahead and scan the QR code that's displaying on the screen, and then just sign in with your child's account and password and link it to your main account. Now, once you have your child's account added, let's go to their profile. So I'm going to choose PlayStation User. Select this. Then I'm going to go down to Parental Controls. Now under here, let's go ahead and scroll on down until we get to Monthly Spending Limit. Now this says limit the total amount your child can spend on content in a calendar month. Payments are made from the family manager's wallet. So whoever the family manager is, they have to add funds to their account, which we just did. And I currently have $10 in my account. Now, once we select this, we can choose an amount from $10 all the way up to unlimited. So whatever amount you have in your wallet, they can go ahead and then spend. So if we want to go ahead and just limit them to $100 a month, they could only spend $100 out of the family manager's wallet each month. So you're going to have to keep adding funds to your wallet for your child to spend. So this is a collective amongst all the accounts then. It's just going to be one wallet for all your sub accounts. So go ahead and choose the monthly spending limit. So if I want to go ahead and just choose 10 for this video and then confirm, that child will be able to spend $10 each month from the wallet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.